To adjust clock on the lock screen on Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening Settings. Next you have to scroll down and go for Personalization and click on the lock screen. And first of all you have to click on the clock for sure. So as you can see, first of all we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different styles. And in each style we can also change its position and the size. So let's say I would like to get the big clock like this one. And now when you go for the font, you can also change the effect of your clock that looks like this. We can even get some kind of the gradient, but in my opinion, the overlap looks the best. We can change color of hour and date. Simple like that. And also of minutes. There we go. And now when you click outside, as you can see, it's changed, and now you can click apply to get your new clocks on the lock screen.